Bodyweight exercises have gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. They offer a plethora of benefits that can transform your fitness journey while requiring little to no equipment. Imagine yourself effortlessly using your own weight to sculpt muscles and improve strength, all within the comfort of your home or outdoors. This flexibility not only saves time, but also encourages consistency, making it easier to integrate exercise into your daily routine. First and foremost, bodyweight exercises enhance functional strength. Unlike machines that isolate muscles, these exercises engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, mimicking real-life movements. Picture yourself performing a push-up. As you lower and lift your body, your chest, shoulders, and triceps seamlessly work together. This comprehensive engagement leads to improved coordination and balance, valuable attributes for everyday activities such as lifting groceries or playing sports. Furthermore, as your body adapts to these movements, you will notice increased muscular endurance, allowing you to tackle physical challenges with more robustness. Additionally, bodyweight exercises are easily scalable. Whether you are a fitness beginner or an experienced athlete, there is a variation for everyone. Visualize starting with knee push-ups. As your strength builds, you can transition to standard push-ups and eventually progress to more advanced variations, like decline push-ups or even one-arm push-ups. This scalability ensures that you can always challenge yourself, sparking motivation while avoiding plateauing in your fitness journey. Plus, incorporating simple modifications helps prevent injuries, as you can work within your limits and gradually increase intensity. Moreover, the cardiovascular benefits of bodyweight exercises cannot be overlooked. When performed at higher intensities or in circuit formats, such exercises significantly elevate your heart rate. Imagine doing burpees or mountain climbers. Not only are you enhancing strength, but also burning calories and increasing cardiovascular fitness simultaneously. This dual effect makes bodyweight workouts efficient for those seeking to shed weight or develop a toned physique, blending strength training with cardio in a single session. Finally, there's an undeniable mental benefit to engaging in bodyweight exercises. Envision the sense of accomplishment you feel when mastering a new movement or surpassing your previous limits. This increase in self-efficacy can build confidence and foster a more positive mindset. As you conquer the challenges of bodyweight workouts, you also cultivate resilience that transcends to other areas of your life. Thus, embracing bodyweight exercises not only fortifies your physical body, but empowers your mental strength as well. Bodyweight exercises have emerged as a cornerstone of effective fitness routines, offering a myriad of benefits that cater to individuals at all fitness levels. These exercises, which utilize the weight of your own body as resistance, can be done virtually anywhere, making them accessible and convenient. Imagine performing a series of push-ups in the park, squats in your living room, or lunges at the beach, all without the need for equipment. This flexibility is one of the main attractions for those seeking a holistic approach to fitness. One of the most significant advantages of bodyweight exercises is their ability to build functional strength. Unlike traditional weightlifting, which often isolates specific muscle groups, bodyweight exercises engage multiple muscles simultaneously. Picture executing a plank. Your core, shoulders, arms, and legs are all working together to maintain stability. This synergy not only enhances strength, but also improves balance and coordination, making everyday activities easier and safer. Moreover, bodyweight exercises are perfect for developing endurance and cardiovascular fitness. High-intensity interval training, HIIT routines can easily incorporate bodyweight movements like burpees, mountain climbers, and jumping jacks, raising your heart rate and burning calories efficiently. As you progress, you can increase the intensity or duration of your workouts, continuously challenging your body while reaping the benefits of improved lung capacity and stamina. Another compelling benefit is the minimal risk of injury associated with bodyweight exercises, especially for beginners. Since these movements often rely on natural motion patterns, they are less likely to cause strain or injury compared to weighted exercises that can put undue stress on joints. You can start with modified versions of exercises, like wall push-ups or chair squats, gradually progressing to more challenging variations as your strength increases. This adaptability makes bodyweight training suitable for individuals recovering from injuries or with specific physical limitations, allowing them to participate safely. Lastly, the mental aspect of bodyweight exercises shouldn't be overlooked. The sense of accomplishment when you master a new movement or increase your reps fosters confidence and discipline. Incorporating bodyweight exercises into your routine can ignite your motivation, keeping your workouts fresh and exciting. Furthermore, the community aspect that often arises in group classes or team settings can enhance social connections and support, making fitness a shared and enjoyable journey.